What's the meaning of cathode? Cathode. Cathode.
Cathode. Cathode. The cathode refers to the electrode in an electronic device that has a negative charge. When a voltage is applied to the cathode, it becomes the site of electron reduction and thereby attracts positively charged ions. This process creates a flow of electrons which can be used for a variety of purposes, including powering electronic devices and generating light. Cathodes are commonly used in batteries, lamps, and other types of electronic equipment to facilitate electron flow and enable the devices to function properly.